We already know Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equal with a squared plus b squared. But instead of the c, we are going to input x. So x cubic square is equal with a x squared, everything square, plus x squared. If we are distributing here the power, we are going to have x6 is equal with x in a 4 plus x squared. If we are going now to solve this equation, one side has to be 0 to equate with 0, and this is going to look in this form. X in a 4 minus x squared is equal with 0. Now let us substitute x squared is equal with u. And now we have here u cubic minus u squared minus u is equal with 0. And let us factor 1u here, because in all the three terms we have a u. And it's going to be u squared minus u minus 1 is equal with 0. And now let's take a u is equal with 0. And when we are substituting here, instead of the u, x squared, we already see this x squared is equal with 0. So the 0 is a repeated root. It means x is equal with 0, 0. So it's 2 zeros. But now I'm going to see here if we have a quadratic equation, u squared minus u minus 1 is equal with 0. If we are solving this with quadratic equation, or let me go here a little bit back this one, so let me write with the u. Okay, and now I have here u, because I have two roots, so let me write 2, is going to be here, b is a minus 1, so I'm plugging here minus b is 1, plus minus, here is a minus 1 square, minus 4 times a is 1, and c is a minus 1. And now we are going here now, 2 times a is a 2 times 1. And if we are simplifying, 1 is a plus minus square root of 1 minus 1 square is 1. Minus 4 times 1 minus 4 times minus 1 is a plus 4. Plus 4 plus 1 is a square root of 5. And everything here is divided by 2. But now, instead of the x, instead of the u, let me substitute here x. Or let me go on a little bit here before I go any further. So let me write in terms of the two roots. U is equal with 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. And the u is going to be 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But now if we are substituting instead of the u, x squared is equal with 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and x squared is 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. If we are taking square root of both sides, we already see there are 4 solutions. And let me take these two solutions here. So x is 0, 0. There are two solutions. Repeated roots, we have 0. Then we have x. Here is, we are taking is going to be square root of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And so let me make a little bit room, space. And x is going to be equal with a minus square root of 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And the other solution here, in this side, here is a minus. Okay. Here is a minus. In other side is going to be x. We are taking square root in this equation here. We have 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, and everything is under the square root. And the other x is equal with a minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, here was a plus, okay, because this is a plus in both sides, but here is a minus in the front. Okay, so in fact we have 4 real solutions, so those are a real solution, and these two are a complex solution. And if you look, for example, how it looks in the real plan, this one, so we have 4 real solutions, and we have 4 real solutions and 2 complex solutions.